Alright, this is going to be a video more about the Quikstrike welding rods from HarborFreight.com. You can see them right here. I just got this bead right down this. That was about a whole stick, and I mean, compared to my finger, it's really not that long. I mean, the whole stick is only maybe 12 inches, not even 12 inches long. There's that bead. A few more pretty good beads. We're gonna try to put a weld bead right down through here, and we'll see how it works with the camera close up like this. That was just about a whole rod right there, just except for this. And you can see it cracking up a little bit, just on its own. And I like to wait just a little bit until I start chipping this off, because if you have this stuff come flying at you, it doesn't look too hot, but it's pretty hot. I might have a few little bubbles in here, but no, it's pretty good. My starts are not that great, but cool this real quick. Just quench it in water. And there it is. Pretty good. And that's it. Alright, we're going to try to lay one more bead straight through here, and I'm going to keep my rod perpendicular to the workpiece as I travel across. What you're seeing is the slag just naturally chipping off, and which is good with for a good weld bead. This stuff's really hot, but now we can just chip it off, quench it, cool it down in some water, and take a wire brush to it. And there you go.